Unfortunately, your water supply system, be it by a pump or municipal supply, is limited in terms of how much water it can provide. Now, having a home irrigation system is great, but how many spray heads can you connect on one line? You see, having too many sprayers and there simply is not enough water pressure and flow. So there's a very fancy, non-technically proven way to work this out. It's a rough calculation. Use a bucket and measure how much water you get in 1 minute. Try and do this at the time of day that you prefer to water. Now here we can see we're getting 20 liters in 45 seconds. That's 25 liters a minute. Now each spray nozzle and pop-up will give you an up to range of how much water it sprays per hour or minute, and simple maths, I've worked out that I can have 2 pop-ups at 360 degrees or about 20 of these spray nozzles. Now these figures are also dependent on your water pressure, so it can get quite technical, but you've got to start somewhere. The point to consider here is that you cannot have hundreds of sprayers on one line. You may need to split your irrigation into 2 or even 3 lines. It's also advisable to start with fewer nozzles and add as you go, rather than having too many in the first place. Now, having too many nozzles or having tubing that is longer than necessary is only going to reduce the effectiveness of your system due to things such as friction loss, which is exceptionally difficult to calculate. But if I were to connect a very long length of this piping, there comes a point when no water would come out the end. How long should one water for depends totally on your plant type, your local climate, time of year. I can't stand here and tell you that answer. Suffice to say that you will soon learn how long to water for by simply looking at the garden. I do find that the sprayers put out less water per minute than I thought they did, so I tend to leave them on for a bit longer. There's a few videos linked in the description below, all of which will help you in planning and installing a system. And Builders has a range of irrigation systems and accessories available, both in-store and online at builders.co.za. For more videos like this, check out the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.